Drones pave the way for human colonization on Mars. In the vast expanse of space, a new chapter for humanity is being written. Drones, those marvels of technology, are embarking on a journey beyond our wildest dreams. They soar into the cosmos, bound for a world that has captured human imagination for centuries. Mars, the red planet, is about to become our new frontier. These drones, equipped with the ingenuity of mankind, will lay the foundations of a future colony. Each one carries the hope and ambition of countless hearts and minds. Imagine the moment when they land on that alien soil. It's not just a touchdown on Mars, it's the planting of seeds for a future we once only dreamed of. They will begin their task in silence, under the watchful eyes of stars. Piece by piece, brick by brick, they will build the cradle of our interstellar legacy. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality we are creating, a testament to human ingenuity and our unyielding fascination with the unknown. As these drones work tirelessly, they weave the dreams of the Earth into the red Martian dust, turning science fiction into science fact. With each passing day, the vision of a human colony on Mars gets clearer. It stands as a beacon of what we can achieve when we dare to dream. This endeavor is more than exploration, it's a symbol of our unity and determination. It shows that when we come together, the universe is within our reach. Let this mission remind us of our potential, not just for conquering new worlds, but for solving the challenges we face on our own planet. The drones on Mars are not just building a colony, they are laying down a challenge. To strive, to seek, to find, and not to yield. As we stand on the brink of this new era, let's carry forward this spirit of exploration. For in reaching for the stars, we discover what it truly means to be human.